Hey, what's happening, guys? Mike Mo here. This is just a quick little unboxing of the Suaoki USB battery pack. It is the model D100 and it has a capacity of 96.48 watt hours, input of 18 volts, 2 amps, USB output of up to QC3, 18 watts. It's got Type-C power delivery of 5 volts, 3 amps, 12 volts, 2 amps, 14.5 volts, 2 amps, 20 volts, 1.45 amps, perfectly capable of charging a regular MacBook 13 at 30 watts though. So it's not going to be the maximum fastest that you can charge a MacBook, but it's definitely going to be able to provide extra battery power to you directly from the USB Type-C with the PD. And if you have a Lightning to USB-C power cable, it's going to be able to fast charge that as well. Battery packs typically don't come in this nice little black sleek type of case. This definitely feels like more of a quality premium product, even though if you looked on my deals, I got this for about $88 delivered directly, fulfilled by Amazon directly from Suaoki. Let's take a quick look inside and have a look. It's a pretty hefty box, I must say. And the quality of the box definitely feels special. I'm going to switch this over to autofocus now. Hopefully this picks it up since it's all black. It has, well, just the box is really nice, but just looking at inside, you have a standard type of foam that just basically keeps everything nice and neat. And then you have a very silver looking exterior, kind of typical of what I would expect of a MacBook, but it's got somewhat sharp edges here. It's got this bevel edges kind of similar to what I would see on maybe an iPhone type accessory, a premium iPhone type accessory. It's got looks like four holes there for the LED to let you know roughly what the capacity is. As far as slimness, I wouldn't say it's super slim, but definitely something that is of this capacity that has these features. It's not out of line to have something about this size. So there's a separate power button, separate on-off button switch over here, as you can see. And this is where you can plug in a separate AC adapter. You have a Type-C power delivery in and out port here, and the two QC3 ports found over here, and then an input that you can use their wall charger with. And this wall charger comes in at 18 volts at 2 amps. That plugs in right there. Or if you actually get a solar kit, or if you charge it directly from the car at 12 volts, that would plug in right here, just over 12 volts. That would also plug into your input, so you can charge it up in the car as well. And of course, this is the separate power check. You can actually see that it comes only about half full over there. You can barely see the color there. It's very discreet, but there's actually blue LED lights over there. And that's probably going to go ahead and dictate whether or not these ports here are active or not versus this separate switch over here for the AC adapter. Oh, nice. It actually comes with this nice felt and a PU type of leather accent right here, but it's actually felt and Velcro, so you can keep the battery there. I appreciate that. Don't really see this very often. It's a nice gesture for them to include that in the quality of this case, but it seems to be pretty tight fitting. It's not a super high quality felt thing, but just the very fact that they actually include one that's nice, and it actually fits this completely, like so. So that's a nice touch. And it helps to prevent your unit from getting all scratched up or potentially scratching other items as well. And you have it has all the important information right over here, just like before. Said so on the box, and it looks like it is a type of security screw there. Make sure you don't tamper with that. Other than that, the bottom is pretty clean. It's got anti-slip protectors right here, so you put it on a surface, it won't slide around. Little thank you warranty card, silica desiccant gel, and let's see, and the user manual, which basically tells you you know, how to operate it. And pretty much it's pretty straightforward. However, one thing that I do want to know is whether or not, let me see about the power. Charge, basically plug in, nothing special about that. Additional notes: when the AC output is on, Type-C output would be off. So you can't use both of them at the same time. So if you want to use your AC outlet, then your Type-C output will not work. Digital device cannot be recognized by Type-C port. You could long press the power button to turn on 5 volt 3 amp power output manually. That's good to know. So it's kind of smart, but you can manually override it and just output 5 volts to 3 amps of power directly from there. It lets you know that it is a modified sine wave that's compatible with AC electrical appliances, less than 100 watts. However, it cannot replace the standard AC power for household appliances or digital products. Please note this product is not compatible with electric devices with rated power over 100 watts. So this would be fine still for the MacBook Pros. When using this product to charge AC appliances and the AC output indicator light turn red, you need to disconnect your digital device from this product. Turn on the AC output. If the error still cannot be fixed, please stop charging your AC appliance at once. Okay, a little bit of warning there. When you are using this product to charge your other digital device and all 4 indicator lights are flashing, you will need to disconnect the digital device from this product. Press the power button and try charging your device again. If this error still cannot be fixed, please stop charging your devices at once. Some very important additional notes to note there. Very important. Protection and recovery. It lets you know what happens at various stages of the battery lights flashing. So apparently if you just need to reset a bunch of things, it's just about unplugging everything, pressing the power button to recover and to you know, make some changes. There are some other cautions about this. Keep away from liquid, you know, all the standard stuff there. And it just gives you an idea of what the contents are. The battery specifications and the voltage. Uses, looks like standard bunch of 18650s in there with a battery capacity of 6,700 milliamp hours. And it gives you all the rest of the information. Working temperature is -5 degrees Celsius to around 40 degrees Celsius. Charging temperature is 0 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. So if I charge this outside using solar, I wonder what the maximum is. Alexa, what's 45 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit?
45 degrees Celsius is 113 degrees Fahrenheit.
So I can't do it in exceeding 113 degrees, which was a little bit of a problem here in California recently because it got pretty darn hot. Yeah, but it'll accept the charge from the car charger from 11 volts to 14.5 volts. Peak power is 120 watts, and you have 12 months of warranty with the battery pack. Okay, so that's just a quick look and unboxing of the Suaoki D100 battery pack with the AC power output and the 2 QC 3.0 ports and a Type-C PD in and out port from Suaoki. Again, I got this at a nice discount. Please check down my link down below. Hopefully the promotion is still active. If not, you can still click the link and find out what the latest price is on there. Normal retail price is $129.99, and I got this for about $88. All right, thanks for watching. I'm going to put this through some tests, and I will have a long-term update on this. If you are interested in that, please comment down below. If I don't see any interest in it, then, you know, I might just leave it as is. Sometimes you try these battery packs, and they work exactly as advertised with no other issue. I think I pretty much covered all the things with it. It is unfortunate, I must say, that you can't use both the Type-C PD and the AC output at the same time. But at least I can use these two separately. All right, thanks for watching, and this is Mike Moo, and I will catch you in the next video.